you guys see that glow. I know you see it. So guys, we're still in summer and we still need that summer glow to be popping, okay? So I have the summer glow secret for you guys. It's a 3-step. I actually think it's 4 steps, but Charlotte Tilbury says 3 steps. I think it's 4. It's 3 products, but it's 4 steps. With her new Unreal products, you can achieve this summer glow in less than 5 minutes. Literally, guys, in less than 5 minutes. I can't get over that glow. Like, if she claimed that you were gonna get a glow, the claim is the complete truth. Because the glow is real. So with Charlotte Tilbury's Unreal Beauty Icons, which the summer sale is almost ending, guys. You have until tomorrow. So you need to get on that sale like ASAP. So these are the products right here. Okay. I'm going to show you how I applied them to achieve this summer glow. If you're like a busy mom, if you're on the go, if you want to look amazing, this is all you need. Honestly, this is all you need. So, and now they actually have the blush in a little mini size. If you guys didn't see, I shared that with you on my IG story a couple of days ago. They now have it in a mini size and it's also part of the sale. So take advantage. These things are perfect for traveling. Can you imagine traveling with just these products right here and having like the perfect glow? How much better can it get than that? So step 1 is to apply your foundation stick. The reason why I have 2 is because 1 is for foundation, 1 is for bronzer. So you apply your foundation, apply your bronzer, then you apply your blush in the apples of the cheeks. You just do literally 2 dots because these things are so pigmented. And then you have your highlight. What I do is I blend these 3 and then I hit it with the highlight at the end. And look at this, guys. In less than 5 minutes, my face was done with foundation, bronzer, blush, highlight. And it gave me the most amazing summer glow that I just can't get over it. Like, it's amazing. So if you guys want to also have an amazing summer glow, or not even summer glow, it could be all year round glow, but you know, we're in the summer right now. So if you guys want that amazing glow, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you right now how to get it. Look at that glow, guys. That glow is unreal. And you're literally done in like 5 minutes. And then you can top it off with the highlighter. Wow. And you're literally done. You're done. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll get back. Okay, guys, so makeup look is all done. Tell me that that's not amazing. It's like, this is the secret, guys. This is literally the summer secret right now for that amazing, blurred, healthy looking summer skin with a beautiful glow. This is the secret right here. So guys, make sure you get your hands on it before the sale's over. It's over tomorrow, so get your hands on it. I'm gonna leave my link down below. I have a code for 15% off if it's your first order. And that's about it. I love you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.